Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the system so recording works reliably. First, make sure Windows 10 and Xbox Game Bar are enabled in Settings. Once done, sign into your account. Open the Game Bar with Win+G and bring up the Capture widget. Now choose whether to include your microphone and adjust audio levels so game sound and voice balance correctly. Once you've set those options, you're ready to start capturing actual gameplay without wasting time on extra configuration. Now you'll record. Press Win+Alt+R to start and stop a clip. That hotkey keeps things focused so you don't fumble in game. If you prefer automatic saves, enable background recording so recent gameplay is cached and saved when you press the hotkey. Make sure you've chosen frame rate and maximum clip length in the game bar settings, and confirm where files save so you can find them quickly. Once recording, monitor performance. Lower settings if you see stutters. To finish, stop recording and locate your clips in the video's /captures folder. Use the Photos app or Xbox app to trim, rename, and share. Make sure you have enough free disk space. Move older captures to an external drive when necessary. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to verify Xbox Game Bar is enabled, update your graphics drivers, and confirm privacy settings allow screen capture and microphone access. If problems persist, reboot and test with a short clip to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.